Hello, and today I'm going to be showing you the best practice for replacing a battery in a water resistant watch. Loosen the back, but before removing the back, give it a good brush to remove any debris. Remove the gasket. This watch has an iron shield, so remove the iron magnetic shield. Remove the crown and stem. This one needs to be unscrewed first. Do not unscrew all the way. It's important not to lose the battery isolators. They prevent the plus and the minus of the battery from coming into contact with each other. Just make sure they're clean. Testing the old battery, we can see that it's at 1.3 volts, which is too low. Watch battery needs to be at least 1.5 volts. Or certainly a silver oxide battery needs to be 1.5 volts. Place the gasket in the gasket washer so we can give it a good clean. This also applies silicone grease. Apply silicone grease to the crown to lubricate the gasket inside the crown. Place the crown back in the watch. And retighten the bolt screw. Do not over tighten, as the head will lightly shear off. Placing the new battery. Restore the iron shield. Insert the O-ring gasket back into the case. It's never good practice to touch any of these items with your fingers, as the oils in your fingerprints will likely cause damage in the long run. Remove any bits of debris with some Rodico. Give the case back a good clean. Using an old piece of Rodico, clean away any particles from the outside of the case back. And screw the back onto the watch. Tighten the case back on the watch with an appropriate key. Now the watch is ready for a water resistance pressure test. This is a Calypso water resistance tester. Once the watch is in the chamber, we compress the air. When the air is compressed to the desired PSI, plunge the watch into the water. If any compressed air has managed to get into the watch, once we release the air pressure, it will try to escape the case and you will see bubbles. And as bubbles are coming out of the case, water cannot get in, so it is safe. This watch has no leaks. I always recommend that you use the best quality Swiss batteries. In my case I use Renata, which is the same batteries as used by Omega, TAG, Breitlings, and using cheap quality batteries you will run the risk of the battery leaking inside the watch and causing damage. Not worth the risk in my opinion. But that's a short video just detailing the best practice for replacing batteries in a water resistant watch. In this case, as you can see, it's an Omega, but the same principle applies if you're changing a battery in a Breitling or a TAG. But yeah, thanks for watching.